Hello mamas and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be bleaching my hair myself because I am broke and bored. So everyone knows that it is the best idea to bleach your hair yourself at home. It is so easy, especially when you have to do a color correction. Okay, so first we're gonna do a hair diagnosis. I'm just gonna show you guys kind of what I have going on and what we're going to try and work with. I have maybe 6 inches of regrowth. The bottom is almost completely brown because I cut most of the bleach part off. The bottoms are about a 10, and then I have baby lights through this part, and then I have an orange band right here. This red color is from where I messed my hair up previously. I had just gotten my hair done. I'll show you a picture here, which is right after I got it done. And then about a month later, I wanted to tone it again, and I was too impatient to wait to order the right toner. So I just went and got a demi-permanent hair dye, and I added 10 volume to it, and I left it on my hair for, I think, 45 minutes. So it lifted my base to this red color, and then it turned the rest of my hair like a little bit purple. I will show you a picture here where you can kind of see the red at the top. Now I have a purple semi-permanent dye over it, but it's faded a lot, so I know I'm probably gonna have to end up cutting my hair after this, but I am gonna put some coconut oil on the very end on the parts that I really don't want any bleach on. So I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair. In the front of my hair, I'm gonna try and do baby lights. We'll see how that comes out. Hopefully I don't end up with chunky highlights, but I'm also gonna do the baby light at the crown of my head, so I'm gonna section that part off. This top part of my hair is where most of the blonde is right now. Underneath here is just pretty brown. So I'm gonna do this part first because it can process for longer. I really don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull this off, but we will see. So I'm gonna get gloves and we're gonna mix it up. All I have is 40 volume developer, and I do not want to use that. So we're gonna dilute it. Online it says you can do that. For the bottom section, what I'm gonna do is back comb it and then put the bleach on, not all the way up to my roots, maybe like an inch away from my roots and down. We're using this V-Light bleach and this 40 volume, which we're gonna dilute with water. I don't know what any of these brands are. I'm not a hairdresser. So we're putting Olaplex in it too. Wait, how many ounces do we need? Oh, let's do some math. We're gonna do a 1:2 ratio because I want it to be thinner. There is no going back now. I almost forgot to add this. So far. Maybe we won't do the foils. I'm gonna let this sit for a second while I mix some more bleach, and then what I'm gonna do is go back through and really saturate it, bring it down a little bit, and put a foil on. So we'll see what happens after that. Okay, so I got the bottom done, added some foils. So now we're gonna do the baby lights in the front. I think we'll start with the hardest part, crown of my head. Okay, so now we're moving on to the front. The back took a lot longer than I thought, but hopefully, since, I don't know, just hopefully this goes faster. So I just kind of lightly feathered it over the ends. I do want the front to be really light, and I am gonna trim it. So even if there's some breakage, that is okay. Okay, so I have all of my foils finally done. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go eat something. It has actually been a couple hours since I started. I'm gonna let the bottom process for a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna go back through all of the ends, but after I eat. I'll see you in like 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
So on the underneath part, I need to brush it through the ends now, but I can't really see anything, so.
Never gonna get that big old head in this tiny hole.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, we are back. It has been 3 hours since I started. Since I saw you last, I went back through and applied bleach to the ends and checked for patchiness, which there was a lot of. So I applied bleach on the patchy parts too. We'll see what happens. I'm a little discouraged by what I've seen, but hopefully that last round going through really helped it. Also, the ends were turning green. I have put a lot of semi-permanent dyes on my hair, but I didn't expect them to turn bright green. So hopefully that goes away. I don't know. Okay, well my head is starting to itch and my eyes are starting to burn. So I think it's time to take this off. So I'm gonna rinse this out. I'm gonna wash the highlights out of my hair, then apply this Pravana toner. I got the Chroma Silk Express Tone in Pearl. So my hair is gonna be a little bit more ashy and gray, hopefully. And then after that, we're gonna towel dry and apply this Bond Perfector, leave on for 10 minutes. And then rinse, shampoo, and condition and style. And then, yeah, we'll see what happens. So, I think it came out okay. Okay, so I just took the foils out and toned it. Okay, so the Olaplex is gonna sit for 10 minutes and then we wash that out, then shampoo, and then I'm gonna try and style it to make it look okay. Hi guys, so it is the next day. This is how my hair came out. It looks really good when it is styled and parted exactly the way I have it. So not a lot of versatility. I do think the color came out really good. It's the exact tone that I wanted. It's still a little bit warm, but it's not brassy. But as you can see, there is a lot of root spots that I missed. But it's fine. Like I said, as long as I part it exactly like this, it's fine. I also can't wear it up because it is completely uneven on the top. I also have no idea what the back looks like. Okay, let's look at the back. I will fix it eventually, but this is pretty much, even after I fix it, probably what it's gonna look like. I think I did a really good job, but we'll have to see what my mom says. Okay. Like, I don't know. Okay, disclaimer. I don't know if I thought.
Can I just see it? Let me see. Are you kidding? You're joking, right? You're joking that it's bad. You're such a liar. Gorgeous.
Like, it's like,
oh my God.
Well, like,
you did an amazing job.
Did I?
It looks amazing.
The only thing is the front's a little, like, I can't flip it that way. Because it's like, I just need to fix right here.
Yeah, it looks good.
That's like 2 foils. Stupid.
Oh my God, it's so good. It's so good.
It took me 5 hours.
Oh, did it?
Michelle's about to react to my hair. She normally does it, so.
Not that bad.
Right?
It's actually not
Go
that
over
bad.
here. I did this part separate, so it's a different color. It's like yellow.
It's not that bad. I think a couple more foils to break up the back and a toner. It's not that bad.
Oh my god. Thanks for the not clickbait.